Hey my friends, Costas here with Opa Taverna. We're gonna here make a very nice prickly pear margarita. So let me show you how we do it. We do 2 ounces of the prickly pear. It's gonna be extra good. I'm telling you my friends. Opa, opa, ole, ole! 2 ounces of the delicious prickly pear moonshine. I'm gonna do a little agave nectar, make it really sweet for you my friends. Organic of course for the gringos. I'm gonna put a little simple syrup in there like this. Alright my friends, splash of orange juice. And I'm gonna put some lime juice in it too. Let me get my little lime squeezer. Excuse me my friends, I got the good lime squeezer. Squeeze the lime good. Good lime juice. Squeeze. We make it very fresh for you my friends. Come to Opa Greek Taverna this Grico de Mayo. You're gonna love it my friends, I promise you. Salud, wherever you are, my friends. Salud.